Yes, sir.
Doug Kroll, I'm standing right out in front of the Livestock Exchange, right in the middle of the street. Glad that everybody is out here today. One of the things we want to cover real quick is everybody has to be standing up. Please make sure you're standing up. What we found out is a long time ago, it's easier to run from the standing position than the seated position. Now you think about the Longhorns, they come down through here. They are about 1,500 pounds and they have to tip about 6 foot. Mind of their own. Most of the time they stay right in the streets where the drovers keep them. Sometimes they walk up on the sidewalks by themselves. So think about where you're at. If you have 1,500 pounds up next to you with Longhorns, you're going to need to be able to get out of the way. I'm not saying you have to be really fast. I'm just saying you probably ought to be faster than the person you're standing beside. So please make sure you're standing up. If you have a dog with you, if you have an animal, make sure you keep it on a leash. We don't want this to turn into a stampede. We don't want the animals scaring the Longhorns. Also, this is not a running of the bulls. They're not going to come flying past you real fast. They kind of sauntering of the steers. So if you're going to take pictures, you can wait for a few minutes. They'll get right beside you momentarily. No sense of leaning out. Don't want you to get hit by their horns or by the drovers as they come by. I was born and raised right here in Fort Worth. I'm always curious where everybody is from. So if you're from the Fort Worth area, on the count of 3, I want to get a big yeehaw from you really loud. So you're representing Fort Worth. So on the count of 3, give me a big yeehaw. 1, 2, 3. My 35 cousins are here today. Glad y'all are out here. Hey, if you're from the great state of Texas, from outside the Fort Worth area, on the count of 3, let me hear from you. 1, 2, 3. All right now. So if you're from somewhere else in the United States, let me hear you on the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. And if you're from somewhere else in the world and you can understand my Texas drawl, on the count of 3, let's hear from you. 1, 2, 3. Man, oh man. We have people from all over the world coming here to Stockyard. We're so glad you're here. So next few minutes, you all get to be Texans, be part of our cattle drive. And one of the most important things about cattle drives is that when it's over with, you're going to be thirsty. So you need to make your way over here to the Livestock Exchange Lawns and visit our Pendleton Whiskey Bar and our Ranch 2-0 bar. Over here, get yourself, quench your thirst. But more importantly, one of the best things we have going on the last couple weeks, but today's really special, is when this is over with, sometime this afternoon, make your way over here to the Visitor Center on the Exchange Lawn for the Stockyard app giveaway days. We just created an app that you can download on your phone. So if you make your way over there, show them that you've downloaded the app. You can receive free tickets, beer, bandanas, more when you download the Fort Worth Stockyards app. But you have to come over here to the Visitor Center on the Exchange Lawn. Also, don't miss the Bill Pickett Invitational Rodeo today at 1:30 right here at the Cowtown Coliseum. Great seats are still available. You can get your tickets right down here at the box office, Coliseum box office. Bill Pickett Invitational today at 1:30. Also, when this is over with, head down to the Stockyard Station, red brick building down here on my right, for the Legends of Texas Comedy Gunfight Show. It'll be right after the cattle drive. Also, make sure you get tickets in the Stockyard Station for the Grapevine Vintage Railroad Trinity River
Doing okay today?
Pretty close.
Learn about the Stockyards.
That's as far away as I've ever been. Everything equates to that. Somebody earlier said they were from New Zealand, and I said, is that not Oklahoma City? And they said no. They said somebody was Far East Texas. And I was like,
Far East. I ain't even that Shreveport.
You sign up for the historical walking tour, 12:30 and or 2. Also, try your chance
Free
at
souvenir day.
the Maze, which is down there. So it was featured in the Amazing Race several years ago, 5,400 square feet. Also, what a great way to get a student.
Unless you're on an airplane, then it's a short one. Yeah, we have to wait.
Today you'll take a glance at that crowd. The herd is north. It's a reminder of Fort Worth's Western heritage, of the cowboy grit and rugged independence so ingrained in the Texas spirit. spirit is still here, and you are a part of it. So be sure and tip your hat and say howdy as the Texas Longhorns pass by with our drovers. In the Stockyard, every day is a new adventure. It starts right here with a Fort Worth herd.
Right up on you,